Alright guys, I think I found the reason why my account has been suspended. So when I opened up the Google Merchant Center, at first I had to send a message to them asking them to review my accounts, but then I went and looked under my products, right? And so I was suspended for violation. I don't know why. But I have prohibited products. This product is prohibited because apparently as it's a ice face massage roller, it is not allowed. So I think I just have to remove this product, and when they check my account they should be able to just help me and take away everything. So this is the product and this is where I got the products. So I will have to go to Best Essentials Hub. I'll have to go into my products, and if I look at the active products, here it is right here. What I'm going to do is click more actions, and it's not there. So you and y'all, we're learning at the same time. I think I'm going to delete the product. There we go. Okay, so this is the issues with the products. The face ice massage roller. I deleted the product though, so when it says what needs attention, I think I should just be able to delete it. Edit product. Why can't I just delete this product? So I think what I gotta do, unfortunately, is just delete all of my products and restart. So I think I'm gonna end up making another video of me looking for new products. I might time frame some things until I find a product or two that I like, and I'll show y'all the process of that. But as you see right now, my products right now are not approved. This is an issue you can run in with Google Ads, and I'll let you guys know when I overcome this issue. Thank y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video.